Hello student, good afternoon. I am Irsad Siddiqui. Today I am going to discuss the chemistry of 9th class and the topic is nature of matter. Subtopic is element. Today I am going to discuss the Latin name of some common elements. In previous lecture video I have discussed some common Latin name of an element. The Latin name of element hydrogen, its Latin name is hydrazinium and symbol is H. Mercury, its Latin name is Hydragyrum and symbol is capital H is small g. Lead, its Latin name is plumbum, its symbol is capital P is small p. Next, iron, its Latin name is ferrum and its symbol is capital F is small. Silver, its Latin name is argentum, its symbol is capital A is small g. Gold, its Latin name is aurum, its symbol is AU, capital A, small u. Oxygen, its Latin name is oxygenium and its symbol is O. So, students are required to write the name of elements, its Latin name and its symbol because it is related to your syllabus. Okay. So, I am going to discuss some important points regarding the element, that is lightest element. Lightest element is hydrogen. Heaviest element is uranium, symbol is capital A. Hardest element is carbon in form of, किस फॉर्म में होता है, in form of diamond. What is the symbol of diamond? Symbol of diamond is CDIA. So the symbol of diamond is CDIA. Di means diamond. So next important point I am going to discuss the compound. That is next topic. Compound. How we can define compound? First of all, take an example. Water. This is water. It is a compound because it contains hydrogen element and oxygen element. So water is a compound because it contains hydrogen element or oxygen element, that is two different types of element. So compound is a chemical substance which contain two or more different types of elements. Carbon dioxide, CO2, it is a compound because it contains one element is carbon and second element is oxygen. So CO2 is a compound because it contains two different types of elements. Glucose, C6H12O6. It is a compound because it contains one element is a carbon, second element is hydrogen and third element is oxygen. So it is a compound because it contains three different types of elements. So how we can define compound? When two or more than two different types of element combined chemically, then a new substance is formed, which is called compound. So when two or more than two different types of element combined chemically, then a new substance is formed called compound. For example, hydrogen and oxygen combine, hydrogen and oxygen combine and form water. The property of the water is different from the property of hydrogen and property of oxygen, because hydrogen burn with puff sound, burn with puff sound. Oxygen is a supporter of combustion, supporter of combustion, and water act as fire extinguisher. Extinguisher. So the property of compound will be different from the property of the element from which it is formed. So the property of H2O is different from the property of hydrogen, and hydrogen is a gas but water is a liquid, oxygen is a gas but water is a liquid. Okay. How many types of compound? In general, there are two types of compound, that is molecular compound, and second one is ionic compound. Examples of molecular compound: water H2O, carbon dioxide, glucose C6H12O6. Ionic compound, it is made up of metal and non-metal, but molecular compound is made up of non-metal. Ionic compound made up of metal, metal contain positive charge and non-metal contain negative charge. Sodium is a metal, potassium is a metal, so it contain positive charge. Cl is a non-metal, so it contain negative charge. But in molecular compound there is no charges on a particular elements, but in ionic compound there is a metal and non-metal, so there is a positive and negative charge. Okay, so it is known as ionic compound. Ionic means it contains positive and negative charges. In molecular compound we always calculate molecular mass, but in ionic compound we always calculate ionic mass or formula mass. Okay. So in molecular compound we always calculate molecular mass, and in ionic compound we always calculate ionic mass. Okay. So compound is a chemical substance which is formed by the combination of two or more than two different types of element. Their elements are joined chemically. Elements in compound are joined chemically. For example, H2O compound, hydrogen is joined with oxygen and next hydrogen is combined with oxygen. So hydrogen combined with oxygen and oxygen combined with hydrogen. So two element of hydrogen combined with one element of oxygen chemically. This line represent a bond. This particular line is represent a bond. So in compound elements are joined chemically, that is through a bond. This is a bond. How many bond? Two bond. Next example, in case of CO2, carbon dioxide, COO. The capacity, binding capacity of carbon is 4. So carbon is attached with two lines with one oxygen element, and second oxygen element is also attached with two lines with carbon elements. So this is a chemical bond. Chemical bond. Chemical bond. So in compound, elements are chemically combined. In CO2, one oxygen is chemically bonded with two lime, and second oxygen is also chemically bonded with, element is chemically bonded with two lime with carbon atom. So there are four lines around a particular carbon atom. So its capacity of bonding is 4. The capacity of carbon is 4. Okay, so in next video I will discuss the next important topic, that is mixture. Thank you very much for watching the video.